Ujjwal, please sit with the camera on, everyone. Yeah, now it's on.
It's on now.
Anushka, yes, it's on there. You are with the another ID also. Okay.
Yeah, I will show it from this one, which I'm
Okay.
using.
So everyone, please take out page number 191. As we were discussing about the matchbox, so can you find the volume of a matchbox? Of your individual matchbox, those who have bought for the activity as I told you to bring. Find the length, breadth and the height, multiply them and find the volume and write it in your notebook. In your textbook, sorry. Geometry box. If you have a geometry box which is in the rectangular shape or in the form of a cuboid or a cube, it can be cube or it can be cuboid, whichever the geometry box, normally in the cuboidal shape. So find the length, breadth and height, means multiply them and find the volume and write it in your textbook and tell me what is the approximate answer is coming.
Ma'am,
Third is the eraser. Third is the eraser. Yes, please.
Ma'am, the length is 5, the breadth is 3.5 and the height is 1.5 of a matchbox.
Length of a matchbox. Length is 5. And the breadth is?
3.5.
3.5. And the height is?
The height is 1.5.
1.5. Multiply them and find the answer.
Your screen is blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
It will come within 1 or 2 seconds. Still it is blurred?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is more blur.
Yes, ma'am. It's not visible.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Now check.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Anushka, multiply them and find the answer. It is your matchbox measurement. So I'm not forcing everyone to write the same answer. You please do practically and write your own answer.
My answer is coming 6 centimeter cubes of matchbox.
How many cubic? So it is 5
centimeter cubes. 6 centimeter cubes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my centimeter is 24.
So 5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 1.5. It is 26.25. Or you can say answer 26 also. You can write approximate answer. Clear?
Ma'am, my matchbox is about 24 cubes.
25 cubes.
24 cubes.
20 length multiply by breadth multiply by height you have done?
Yes.
So this activity you will do. Next is Tanu is making a stage with the matchboxes. She first puts 14 matchboxes like this in the first layer, which is, let me present the screen.
Ma'am, I have just 7 matchboxes.
You can do with the 7 matchboxes, no problem. Uska volume nikal do 7 ka. This isn't just an activity to show you how to find the volume. She takes 4. This is the right. She takes 4 in such layers and her stage looks like this. She used 56 match. So अगर 4 लिए हैं तो कितने match boxes होंगे उसके पास? She makes 4 such layers. 14 एक layer में है. She first put 14. So 14 अगर एक layer में है और 4 layers है तो what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 56 matchboxes.
56. Why? Because
56 multiplied by 4 is equal to 56.
Yes. 14 in the one layer and there are total 4 layers. So 14 multiplied by 4 is 56 matchboxes. How many matchboxes she has taken? 56. So a volume of निकालेंगे इसके according. The volume of one matchbox is the same as 10 centimeter cubes. So 56 का कितना होगा अगर एक का वॉल्यूम 10 है?
मैम 560 सेंटीमीटर. मैम 560 सेंटीमीटर.
Yes, 560 cubic centimeter or centimeters cube.
Ma'am, can I take third one?
Yeah. If all these cubes are arranged in a line, how long will that line be? 14 है, एक में 10 है, तो वो लाइन कितनी बड़ी होगी?
ऐसे?
Yes.
Ma'am, 560 centimeter. It will be same only.
No, पूरी. If all these cubes are arranged in a line, 14 ही थे ना एक के. So if all will be arranged in a line, what will be the answer? Just a
The
minute.
answer will 252.
Just a minute, students. Let me remove this.
And the answer will be 630.
Ma'am, answer will 250.
630.
50. See, 224. All these cubes are arranged. ये दो लाइनें हैं ना? 4 है. If all these cubes are arranged in a line, how long will it be?
I think I have done wrong multiplication.
56 multiplied by 4 when you do, because there are 56 matchboxes in the line and you are going to arrange 4 lines in a one single line. It will be 224 centimeter. इतने matchboxes होंगे. Clear? Which has more volume? Your matchbox book or Tanu's platform? Your math magic book, sorry. आपने math magic book का भी पीछे volume निकाला था.
Math magic book.
Platform.
Which was, so whose is
My
big
math
platform?
magic.
Platform.
Math magic book.
And Tanu's platform.
Tanu's platform is big. Okay.
Yeah.
It is your measurement you need to find and say. Now next come down.
And my volume of one cube, one matchbox is 11.25.
Okay. With your friends, collect some empty matchboxes of the same size. Measure the sides and write here. So आप उसके length, breadth and height measure करके लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे. Suppose it is here, we are giving it is dash centimeter long, that centimeter high and that centimeter wide. We can write approximate answers here. 5, 1 and 3 is the height and 1 is the height. So what will be the volume of this matchbox according to the textbook? If I have given you, tell me what will be the volume? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what will be the volume if 5 centimeter long, 3 centimeter wide, 1 centimeter height.
16. Ma'am, it will be 15.
15 centimeter.
150.
16 centimeter.
5, 3,
Cubic
1, 5,
centimeter.
15. It will be 15.
15 centimeter.
16.
15 cubic centimeter.
What will be the answer?
15 cubic centimeter.
Yes,
Centimeter.
not 16. 1 को add नहीं करना है, multiply करना है. Am I
Man,
clear?
15 3s are 15, so that's why 15 ones are 15.
Yes. 5 3s are 15 and 15 ones are 15. Now use 56 matchboxes to make the platform of different heights. How high it is, how long it is. अब आप different कर सकते हैं कि आप 56 matchboxes को अगर for example she is having 7 matchboxes. Anushka, if you arrange your 7 boxes in the different way to find the volume of different figures, will you able to arrange them? कभी height में 2 लगा लो, right?
Yeah,
कभी
so by
length में लगा लो.
counting the matchboxes we have to do, no?
हाँ. See, अगर आप इसकी length, breadth, height different करके लगाओगे, when you arrange them in the different way, तो इनका volume different आएगा. Right now, suppose you are taking 4 matchboxes, okay?
Yeah.
Now, find out.
I'll take 2 at the top.
हाँ. No, not like this. Arrange them in such a figure. Platform बनाओ इसका किसी, या तो flat ही रखो. Remove these 2. हाँ, ऐसे. Now, when you measure the length and measure the breadth and measure the height and multiply them.
Okay, I'll just do
One
it.
platform is this way. Another way also you can arrange them.
Ma'am, C.
Who is showing?
Ma'am, Ridwan.
Ridan. Okay, Ridan is showing. Ridan, what you have done? You have taken 2, then 4, then 7, then volume you have find out. Okay. I will not able to properly check it, but it's okay. You have tried.
Ma'am,
See, again, I'm coming on the textbook. Suppose हम 2 centimeter height में लेते हैं. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, my length has come 15.
And 7 in the long and 4 in the wide. So इसका volume अलग आएगा. Multiply करके volume निकलेगा. So it is up to you. If you
Ma'am, I
want to do
completed
this
this
activity, yes.
I completed this table.
It's
Yes.
56, ma'am. The same.
Yeah.
56.
So what you are noticing that कि when you do 2 multiply by 7, 14 and 14 multiply by 4 is 56. अब आपने उसकी पोजीशन
And this
चेंज
is
कर
also
ली
56.
तो ऑल कंडीशन में जो आंसर है वो 56 ही आएगा. और इफ यू आर टेकिंग 8 मैच बॉक्सेस और अरेंजिंग देम डिफरेंट वे तो आपका जो आंसर है वो 8 ही आएगा.
Ma'am, my answer is 90.
Ma'am, we can write 8 multiplied by means how high it is
Ma'am,
8,
the
how
volume
long
of
is
this
7
platform is
and
56.
अब आप इसमें मैच बॉक्सेस की कैलकुलेशन करो. डोंट कैलकुलेट
Ma'am,
विद मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर?
Ma'am, see.
Renu,
Yes.
ma'am, if
I
in
have-
the
Yes,
last
Mohit.
one we write 8,
Very
7
good, Mohit.
and 1, so we will also get 56.
Let me check.
8 multiplied by 7 is 56 and multiplied by 1 is 56.
Yes, let me
8,
check.
7 and 6.
Ma'am, my answer is
8, 7
56.
and 1.
Yes, yes.
Volume of
Very
black
good
box.
there. Very good. If you're taking 187, then also the answer is 56. So make deep drawing of the platform. You can make so the deep drawing. You all know what is deep drawing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the measuring part.
That is not measuring in the form of a centimeter meter. Suppose you are arranging your total 56 match boxes, 2 match boxes in the height, 7 match boxes in the length, and 4 match boxes in the height. So when you multiply, then it will give you total match boxes 56. It is with the form of match boxes, not in the form of a meter centimeter. Go on the next page. This is the way you can make the deep drawing of the platform also. So not required right now. Just a minute. Next is now use 56 marks boxes in the different way. Practice time is given now. Mohan, arrange these max boxes in the different way. So he has arranged in this way. How many match boxes did he use to make it? What is the volume of the match box? Will you able to find kitne length mein, kitne breadth mein, and
Yes,
multiply
ma'am.
them?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So,
I have done.
कितने दिख रहे हैं?
Ma'am, it will be 30.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, 30. Ma'am, 30 is
Let
the
me check.
answer. 30 is the answer.
How? Will you explain?
Ma'am, can I?
Please explain.
Ma'am, in
Yes,
first row,
Ma'am,
there will be
first
16 match
row.
boxes.
16. Yes.
Then second row, there will be 9 match boxes.
9.
And then third row, there will be 4. Then
16 plus 9.
plus 4 plus 1.
16 plus 9 plus
25.
4 plus 1. 10, 14 plus 6.
25.
Ma'am, can I?
20, it's 30. Yes. Children,
Ma'am,
your
can I-
answer is coming 30?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
खेवना को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मैम एक बार फिर से समझाइए ना
Yes, yes, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Khevna, you wait, beta. I will explain you. You were not worried about the platform one, na?
Yes, ma'am. You said to measure it, so I was
No.
measuring.
See, I will come back to you. Okay, I will explain you. Wait, no problem. This next page is clear. 193. How there are 30 match boxes. That is clear. Kevna, I have pinned you. I'm talking to you now. Where is she? Kevna, you are there. Can you please speak?
Yes, ma'am. I am there.
Can you come on the page number 193?
1 minute, ma'am. I'm on that only 192.
192, I will explain you individually after the minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Once come on the 193. 193 is completely different compared to 192. So come on 193. And they are saying how many ये जो platform बनाया है, they have used how many match boxes? Will you count them in your textbook? In your textbook count them कि floor पे first कितने हैं? First page पे कितने हैं? Second पे कितने हैं? Third पे and the fourth पे? And add them. Let me take the attendance. Is any doubt to any other child of counting the match boxes on page number 193?
No, ma'am.
Kevna counted on the first base.
Yes, ma'am. That's
How many are there? Huh?
30. 30.
30 are total, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. I don't have a doubt on match boxes. I mean, not the counting one. I have the doubt on the before one.
Before one, I will explain you, okay? Wait till the last. Can I move now? Come on the page number 194, students. Come on the page number 194. See, in 193, they are making a cube. They are making a cube with the paper sheet that you can try at home also how to make the cube with the paper sheet. Now what they are doing, how big is your cube? How long is the side of your cube? Remember to begin with the paper sheet 19.5. You must start with the left corner. Wait a minute.
Mama, I have made this. Total 6 I have made this.
You have made the cube?
No, Mama, I can't make the cube. I can't make the cube, but I have made that. Made the 6 parts which which will be useful to make the cube.
You have right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you show to assemble them?
What, ma'am?
Will you show us how to assemble and make the cube with these parts?
Ma'am, but I can't make the cube because it's difficult for me.
Okay. You student want to see the video how to make the cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, I will show you.
How to make cube.
I'm trying to make the cube with the papers.
Wait a minute, I'll show you the video also how to make a cube.
Ma'am, I know how to make a cube. First make first square and second square, then put a line. Completed.
आदिका, मेरा ऐसा एक काम गया.
Ma'am, सीधी cube.
Mute your mic, someone mic is on. Ekansh. Wait a minute, I am going to show you the video.
Ma'am, I make cube. Ma'am, it is proper.
Mohit, mute yourself. Voice is breaking. If you have paper, you can try also along with it. Any child has tried practically?
Ma'am, ma'am, I had made this cube many times before.
Ma'am, I am making.
Okay. Try this and make this and tell me in the next class that whether you are able to try and make the cube or not. Now, come on the next 194 page. How long is the side of your cube? See, when you take a cube of 7 centimeters, so write 7 centimeter will be the side of a cube. So first dash, you have to write 7 centimeter.
Length, width, and height is 7 centimeter only.
So all will be 7 centimeter.
Because one side is 7, so all sides are 7.
Yes, wait a minute. One side is 7 because it's a cube. So all side will be 7. Length, breadth and height will be same. So can you tell me what will be the volume of this cube?
Yes, ma'am. 343.
Yes, 343.
7
Let me,
cube.
7
300.
7s are 49. 49 sevens are 49. 7 7 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 are 49 multiplied by 7, 343. Yes. 343 centimeter cube. So what will be the next line? So right, so the total centimeter cubes will be 343 centimeter cubes. And for E also, answer also you have to write 343.
My answer is 743. 343, sorry.
343, yes. So in both the answers you will write 343 centimeter cubes. Any doubt to any child?
No.
Can I move to the next now? Next page number 195.
Yes.
अब अन्ना ने क्या किया? अन्ना मेड अ क्यूब, बिग क्यूब. ठीक है, एक बड़ा क्यूब बनाया जो कि 7 सेंटीमीटर की डबल साइड थी. तो कितनी हो जाएगी अब बड़े क्यूब की?
14 मैम.
14. अब जब बड़े क्यूब की साइड 14 है, वन साइड 14 है, तो उसका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? वन साइड 14 है बड़े क्यूब की, तो 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 14 विल बी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बड़ा क्यूब. फाइंड आउट स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट विल बी द, बिकॉज उसने डबल एक बॉक्स बनाया जो कि छोटे क्यूब का डबल था.
Ma'am, it will be 2744.
14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. So what it is the answer?
2744.
2744.
Yes, ma'am.
Centimeter cube is the answer of the big cube.
2744 centimeter cube.
Okay. So are you all agree 2744 centimeter cube is the volume of the big box?
Yes, ma'am.
Now अन्ना क्या कर रही है? We have done ना ice वाला. कि first we have to find out the volume of a big ice tray, volume of a small ice tray, and divide them. अब अन्ना she has find out the volume of a big box. Then she had find out the volume of a small box जो 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 करके उसने निकाला था, which was 343. Yes. Now she is trying how many small boxes are going to fit in the big box. Divide and find the answer and tell me. 2744. What is the answer?
I think it is 8.
Divided by 343. So कितने box? Yes, 8. 2744 divided by 343. 8 small cubes जो हैं वो big box cube में आएंगे. Any doubt, Khevna? Any other child?
Answer is 8.
Answer is 8. Any doubt to any child? Why the answer is 8? Dharya, clear? Why the answer is 8? Is there any doubt to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
doubt.
ma'am.
Are you clear how the answer has come?
2744.
Everyone is clear how the answer has come? Priya?
will be 8.
Yes.
Because the volume of big box is this, the volume of small cube is this. Divide them and find how many small cubes are going to arrange in a big cube. No doubt. Can I move to the next now?
Yes.
Okay. Packing cubes. Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4,000 centimeter cubes in the boxes. These are to be sent to a school. There are 3 different boxes. अब उनको 4,000 centimeter cubes कुछ fix करने थे, तो उनके पास 3 boxes थे. एक का length, breadth and height is different, B is different, and the C is different. So will it be able to fit all the 4,000 cubes in these 3 boxes? I find we need to more. So they are discussing कि 4,000 cubes क्या इसके अंदर आ जाएंगे? So you need to find the volume of the first box, second box, and the third box, and tell me, are they all 4,000 going to fit, और उनको यहाँ तो कोई दूसरा box भी add करना होगा? Find out and tell me, students. You have to find out.
So, ma'am, what is the centimeter of one cube? What is the volume?
It is already given 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 6 centimeter.
No,
Picture is
one
given
cube
na?
is
1200.
cube.
Ma'am, the first box will be.
Ma'am, it will be 1200.
They are telling क्या 4000 centimeter cubes in boxes में आ जाएंगे. तो टोटल तीनों का वॉल्यूम निकालना है, तीनों के वॉल्यूम को ऐड करना है, whether it is 4000, less than 4000 or more than 4000. Find out, students, and tell me. Daksh not doing anything, just putting the background. Find out what is the volume of the first box.
The first box is 1200 centimeter cube.
Yes, right, Freya. What is the volume of second box?
Excuse me, ma'am. Second block, the volume is 1210.
Yes, right. What is the volume of third box?
1350.
Very good. Add all the three volumes.
Second box is 1210.
Yes. First is 1200. Second is 1210.
Ma'am, third box is 135.
1350. Add them.
Sorry, I forgot 0.
Ma'am, answer will be 3760.
3760.
Yes, ma'am. 760. So all the 4000 will be set in this three boxes. Yes or no? जगह बचेगी ना बेटा?
No, ma'am.
क्यों नहीं होंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ नहीं होंगे ना बेटा, नहीं, no, because there are 4000.
Ma'am, I have
Only
one doubt.
3000. So what they will do in this case? Tell me.
Ma'am, they have to need one more box.
They will need one more box. Yes. So who is right according to you?
Digma.
Tina is saying, will we be able to fit these three boxes? I think we need one more. And Ganesh is saying, I think there is enough space. So who is right?
Dinga.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Dinga.
Dinga is right because according to Dinga, we need one more box. And yes. How can Ganesh and Dinga test their guesses before packing the cubes? So आपने multiply करके उनको guess दे दिया. That is, they have guess in this way. And turn the page number 196. Right, what is the volume of the first B box? का volume क्या था?
1210.
1210. So right, B is
Third
this.
one is
C is
3760.
this is C, this is B, and this is the total given.
Third one is 3760.
Karnav not writing anything, dancing on the music. And students, please not tell to your friends also, these 20 students, only their present will be marked, other will be absent in my class now. Tomorrow, as I told you, big thick sheet and big sand or sweet or sugar, like sugar or salt, anything. You can either bring sand, either bring salt or the sugar. We are going to do this activity of cylindrical big thick sheet. Okay. Till here, any doubt to any child? Khemna, you stay, others can leave.
Ma'am, we have to make these like pipes.
That we will do in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, today I bring all the make pies and bring. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye,
That
ma'am.
bring it. Bye bye.